I'm Denise Davino. This is our townhouse in Melville. We've been here for about 10 years. Our master bathroom needed a update very bad. It was all old appliances. The shower was old. We tried to redo it ourselves. That didn't work out very well at all. Cabinets, closet, everything really needed a total overhaul. So we contacted Alure, and they came to the house, helped us pick everything out. Installation was amazing. Done within a week, start to finish. Did the project sooner than we even thought it would be done. It came out amazing. We are both so happy. It is clean and it's going to be easy to clean. It's bright and opened. It's exactly what we were looking for. So opened up, it felt so much smaller before. Now with the white walls and tiles and the new cabinet, it looks tremendous to us. I like to keep a very clean home. I was very happy with the end product.